Imagine a food court na lahat pwede mo kainin. Unlimited steak, tempura, seafood, pasta, Filipino, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, may pang kids, may pang senior. Eat all you can but make it elevated. Food hall you can at Vikings The Alley. Hello mga best! Let's eat here at The Alley at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Iba talaga ang charm dito. Pagpasok pa lang ang lively and festive ng space, may kanya-kanyang stations ang favorites mo kaya walang mahabang pila. Based on my own taste and preference, here are my top choices from the buffet. Start tayo sa bagnet, crunchy, fatty, ang sarap. Batchoy and mechado from Filipino food stations, ebi tempura syempre, and salmon sashimi from the Japanese station. My favorite, roast beef. Tip ko sa inyo, request nyo kay chef with lambing na medium rare para medyo malambot ang steak. Sa seafood naman, paella, calamares, seafood thermidor. Masarap din for me yung pasta puttanesca, risotto, Korean chicken, siomai, manggang hilaw, fish balls, crepe, bibingka, pavlova, and cappuccino. Last is my favorite, bubblegum ice cream. Ikutin nyo na lahat ng 16 stations, may salad, bread, cheeses, ice cream, desserts, coffee, cocktail, drinks, lahat yan unlimited. At syempre marami pang iba. Here are the rates and check for promos. So ayan na, alam nyo na kung saan dadali ng buong pamilya at barkada. Kaya naman for your casual dining, reunions, and celebrations, reserve na kayo here at Vikings The Alley. Tara, let's eat!